Mhlonishwa sicela ukuthi usibikele ukuthi kwenzakalani lana sikuphi lana kwenze njani sibona abantu bahlangene bayamasha bayacula bahuba amahube emzabalazo kwenze njani
no mfowethu la inkinga kuseMayfair lana abantu ama-South Africans lawa akhathazekile ngesimo ahlala phansi kwaso abantu bangaphandle bathengisa ama-drugs benza human trafficking bashaya amaphoyisa so manje sesithe enough is enough sama-South African ngoba ugovernment wethu uyasifeyila and siyazi ukuthi abantu bama-politicians ngoba bengakhulumi bona bayazi ukuthi bayabenefita kulama country angaphandle abantu bokufika
namhlanje imashe
imayelana nama-drugs asifuni ama-drugs enough is enough iy'ngane zama-South African ayaphela kubulawa iy'ngane zethu ngama-drugs
ngiyazwakala khathala kithi sicela unezwa omunye futhi sibingelela sibili sikwamukele
ngiyabonga bhuti ukuthola leli thuba ngicela
lana kuyamashwa kunje sicela ukuthi sizwe ukuthi ngabe kwenziwani namhlanje
ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti ukuthi ungiphe leli thuba leli ngisho akwekushaya ngama-4 nje bhuti siwumphakathi waseMayfair Forsberg Brixton Langlahle sithi sikhathele iy'ngane ezidla ama-drugs kodwa sibe sikhona singama-South African so engakutshela khona njengamanje sithi akuphelanga namhlanje yes akuphelanga namhlanje sizo each and every single day we gonna wake up and the South African and unite and tell the government that they must act. What I can say right now, can I assure you that most of the time when we report to the police stations they don't listen to us, and also when we go to the councillors they don't listen to us. So we as a society of this Mayfair Forsberg Brixton, that's why today we come together and go to the struggle. Yes.
Nina lana le mashenu singathi mhlawumbe mayelana nani match noma ngikhalela nje itoza la emphakathini
no sikhalela okhalela yonke ama-South African abantwana basebenzi kodwa kunama-factory kunamakhampani la amakhampani angitshela ngawo i-Crown Mine inamakhampani i-Christie's inamakhampani kodwa abantwana basebenza abantu bangaphandle so that is why sithe singama-South African we can come together and then go to the street. Thank
Sanibonani njani ma-Afrika right lempi ama-South Africans not necessarily ama-political parties lesilwayo ukuthi thina sibe namalungelo okuthola izinto kala and umuntu ozaziyo ukuthi is not documented azithole aphuma la ekhantrini ahambe ayekhaya azobuya seke documented asimanje abantu baza eSouth Africa kodwa sifuna baze ngendlela eright and lento le I affect thina sodwa I affect everyone who's in South Africa. Please people, this has nothing to do with race, nothing to do with xenophobia, but everything to do with being South African. South Africa sicela ukuthola I new beginning enhle for thina nabanye abama-South African. Please akusinto amaZulu akusinto abeSuthu into ama-South African. Know that, please know that, and it has nothing to do with politics. It has nothing to do with political parties as well. This is nothing to do with political parties. Thank you.
Injalo ke indaba eMayfair insizwa nentombi ziyamasha zithi ikhathele bakhathele ungaphatheki kahle nongahlala kahle nabantu bakufika nje ubona nje sisayitractile zakhona lapha eMayfair. It's a peaceful march ngempela naba abafika bavele ngama-balcony basilunguza ngamawindi kodwa esingaqinisekisa ukuthi this is a peaceful march indeed. Futak
sifuna u-station commander bafethu uma ngabakeze somlanda ngaphakathi
ukhona la
usefikile
ngumama omele u-station commander
awes ya somnikeza
enza
ungayibuya kezela ya awes
emphakathini ubona ngathi lo muntu akamele
kezela
umuntu wabakade
ezela uzala which one
Sanibona. Cha ngivumelekile mina ukukhuluma nabantu bemedia mina ngikhuluma nani lokho akusuka. Ngaphandle uma kufuneka uspokesperson that bekufuze arrange but hayi ngelokho sa. Angivumelekile ukukhuluma phela mina ngoba kuse station la.
yeah then uzo-address abantu
Cha ukukhuluma nabantu makukhona okufanele is not a problem but ukukhuluma in a form of media angivumelekile.
okay
Yeah.
okay
Sichazela.
uthi angakhona ukukhuluma nabantu ku-media then umthetho wakho umvumeli then anga-adressa isha
okay bafethu makomrade amandla wethu ubaba la uyayibeka la ngiyamuzwa ukuthi u-station commander akekho kodwa uzowumela yena manje yena akavumelekile bafowethu ngoba umthetho uyala ukuthi yena angakhuluma avele nase-TV so yithe bazomtshela indaba yithe zomtshela ukuthi sikhala ngani sifunani lokho yena uzokuthatha kudlulise ku-station commander siyazwana bafethu siyacela ke bafethu sibambisane ungabi khona ozohawula omunye sikhulume nje kahle masuka lapha siqonde feeders
okay yeah okay ngizocela ukubingelela kakhulu kinonke ba South African siphinda sinibonge nokuthi sihlangane ndawonye la ngiyanithembisa ukuthi sizoyiwina lempile sizoyina noma kanjani but okwamanje ke nayi memorandum esizoyifundela abaphathi the memorandum demands from the committee of Joburg the date 22 June 2026 the purpose of memorandum. This memorandum is submitted by the residents of Joburg of Section 17 of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, which guarantees the rights peaceful assembled, demonstration, picket, and present petition. We are embarking on the peaceful protest march to express our dissatisfaction with foreign national and dominate with our words. Delivery failure that violate our constitution rights to dignity, health and access to basic services, job opportunity. Background to protest march. Disperse numerous engagements, write a complaints and IDP submission. The following critical services delivery issue remains unresolved in Ward 58. Our demands. We, the community of Ward 58, demands the following. Illegal who roam freely, so in our community they are no longer needed. Only because of many companies hire hire therefore cheap labor to perform the duties we also as a South African have. Immediately visibility of SAPS when needed and police bribery must stop immediately. Drugs exposed and introduced to our youth and they lead to higher rate of parents sleep around, walk away. Crime that remain unsolved because of police who they are greedy of money makes them to misuse their powers. Further matches and potential legal action through the public protector and SAHRC. Much details, date of March 2024, June 2026. Gathering point, PP Garage. Route will be discussed. Destination 12. Expected participants 150 or more. Memorandum handed over, received by community of vote 58 and 59. Thank you.
Sign.
Sizocela kupha ngithi uzosayina wenza amakhophi ayi-2. One copy is for them, one copy is us.
Mina ngisala original.
Sainamo
Asemo rabarab.
Sainamo asemo rabarab. Sainamo asemo rabarab. Sainamo asemo
Sanibonani ninjani? Sanibonani ma South Africans. Hello fellow South Africans. Last khona it's a company eyokudla and it seems like iqasha abantu bangaphandle kuphela. Abantu esihamba nabo lana abantu base Mayfair yibo abakwaziyo ukuthi babone lama company abakhuluma ngawo, babona lento every day. Abekho abantu bala eMzansi abasebenzayo la, ba very few. The number is high esayidini labantu bokufika. So what is supposed to happen ukuthi aqashwe abantu bala ekhaya. Baningi la estradini balambile. Ngiyaqala ukubona indawo eso empilweni yami ukuthi sila elokishini lethu elase South Africa eMayfair. Kodwa abantu bala eSouth Africa balala estradini, kodwa abantu abangasaba seSouth Africa balala endaweni eziright. Angazi ukuthi kahle kahle lama vote bokwenziwani ngayo. I'm repeating, this has nothing to do with politics. It has nothing to do with a particular party, but everything to do nama South Africans. South Africans asike sivukeni man. Asike sekeni lento leyo kuma ekhoneni sekela izinto zethu zicwaninga abanye abantu. Please South Africans, le company le kumele ukuthi kuzofakwa abantu abala eSouth Africa. Please kindly singathanda kube njalo.
Incorporating fully, right? Now, obviously it's a process that takes a bit of time, right? We know the deadline is 30th, and I can guarantee you on the 30th you walk in here, you're gonna find nobody here that's a foreigner. Okay. I can guarantee you that.
But you have it now.
At the moment we eliminating, right? There's a few left.
Yeah.
All right. So we don't just tell them, hey, hit the road here.
Okay.
We organizing things properly in a humane manner.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Paying the people out like in a humane manner. Others just got scared and they left on their own.
So when can we bring our CVs here?
Please, can you tell us that
When are we
Monday or
Yes, I say month end. You bring us
Monday.
We look at
Monday.
it. Month end.
Monday?
Yeah.
How many people are bringing it here, sir?
4 or 5 for now. We already taken a whole lot.
Gonna bring 5.
Bring about 4 or 5. Yeah.
Because-
but we bring church.
Let's be realistic, boss. I'm being realistic.
Yes, what we want to ask as a Mayfair community and Brixton,
Yeah.
what we're requesting to you is 1 something. Please, can you make our people to be a first priority? Don't take the people that coming from nowhere because they are South African. Listen, we will talk
because of transportation also.
Good. So what we need, our people, they must be first priority in this job. Even if you can have 2 from other side, but the most of them, the majority, they must be here. They must be people that coming from here. Please,
16
please.
Mayfair and Fitas.
And then into esayicela nje kusukela namhlanje na next year sicela ukuthi ningabanga umsebenzi. Uyabona njengoba kwamanje basicela ukuthi silethe ama CV awu5 kusho ukuthi abaphathi bami bazokwazi ukuthi Fitas, Brixton, Slovo kanjani 11 uyabona but Mantendi ilapho kuzoba khona inamba yonke umuntu wala ku inner city. So ngiyacela ukuthi kungabe bikho ukuthi sekuthiwa sekwenziwa ifavor kufakwa obani abangani babo nini kuphi cha ayisentshenzwa la ngoba singama South African sonke angithi
amandla awethu engizocela bafethu ubeke ngicabanga ne bathe bafuna abantu abayi5 kodwa but thina ngeke siletha 5 yama CV sizoletha 10 ngabe bazokushuzela ngabe bazokushuzela ukuthi bazothatha abantu but sizobamba imeeting nabo masibamba imeeting nabo sizobuya sini address ukuthi bathathe abangaki. Ni understand ngoba i5 incane ngeke sithathe 5 sizothatha 10 ama CV yabantu. Siyavumelana lapha amandla okunye ngikhohliwe bafethu ne la sifuna abantu base Brixton, Mayfair, Langlacht, Fitas, Silovo mawubuya kwenye indawo koSoweto kothini cha sikuvumi lokho mandla sikuvumi lokho hayi asikuvumi lokho kwamanje amapili sorry bana bape one sorry
sanibonani asifuni abantu bala kuphela thina sisuka la sisuka khona asabantu bala sizela ukuzosupporta nina sithathe isikhathi sethu sastopa into zethu lento lesishilo from the onset akusiyinto eyaku into yase South Africa esivelayo amalungelo ama South Africa asikwazi ukuthi sithathe abantu bala kuphela unfortunately nabo bayawudinga umsebenzi abantu esanabo please
basikhulumile ngiyacela basikhulumile bafethu ngikhuluma inkulumo funeka ngiyaxolisa kumuntu wonke lana
ekhase ngihlangana nenkonzo ekhase ngihlangana nenkonzo mbhem Mfowethu asikulungele sikomkela ilikho nje ofisa udlulisa kuba nje manje uthi kwenze njani kwenziwani lana nje uma ubhizi kangaka nje lapho sicela ukuthi namhlanje uhlangene ngani kuthiwani kumele namhlanje
ngizocela ngokunibingelela lonke abantu base South Africa namhlanje umatch namhlanje simasha sibhekane nabantu bakhamba abantu bakhamba babulala ingane zethu bathatha wonke ama buildings bathatha yonke into bayihijeka abayithathi ngokomthetho basinikeza ingane zathi ama drugs mabaceta futhi bathatha yonke into siyibelonga kuma South African zonke izindlu baqashisa bo Malawi sikhathele ngalabo abantu laba kakhulu ama Somalia basigcilaza kakhulu basishaya basiyenza yonke into abasithathi njengabantu bala izweni lethu bathi sihambe lana sikhathele ngalabantu into sifuna bahambe nje basidedele nje izweni lethu basishiye ngokuthula hambani madoda sanifuni hambani siyanicela angimanje abahambe nabafazi benu nihambe nabo nengane zani nihambe nazo nisishiye ngokuthula bafethu nani bo Malawi hambani madoda sikhathele yini madoda siyanicela hambani
Hayi ngane yami sanibonani nonke ngane yami ngijabule kabi yabona namhlanje hayi ngijabule kabi ufikile uZulu ngane yami sijabulile ngoba khona manje sindlulile kulezi zitha zethu zize zigibele phezulu kwendlu yayibona la sise Mayfair
lithini izilo namhlanje nje nesizodlulisa kubantu
engizolidlulisa kubantu ngithi abaphumanga abantu bakithi abaphume ngane yami bazilwele ngoba ilizwe liyahamba
imatch yenu
abahambe sithi thina abahambe labantu ababelongi lana abana maphepha mntanami sithukile masibabone eThekwini bangaka banganana amaphepha baloko basitshela bathi singabafuni amaphepha bazofuna amaphoyisa abangaka bona amaphoyisa babatheni bahluleka bangabafuni amaphepha sithukile namanje ukuthi la eSouth Africa deswayibe bathi mabahlangana nathi bathi bona bangasivota siphume kulelizwe bebaqinisile ngana namanje basagcwele namanje thina sesithi abahambe sithi ugovernment wethu abakahambise ngomoya omuhle asilwi asishayi umuntu laba basibosha amagama bathi thina siyashaya asishayi umuntu simasha ngepeaceful into enayo sifuna izwe lethu libuye alibuye ilizwe lethu sikhathele umbango wani
And then, Mama, we love the memorandum. We don't want the foreigner. This side, listen to us. I'm talking to the soldier. We don't want the foreigner this side and this side. And you can't tell us there is no
Ralpho?
The guy that is there told me that is from...
Ralpho?
Wait, man. You can't tell me...
We give some to this house. I did 20 sides. Maybe 2 years back. I think 2 years back. They said you are the only one. On this one, on this one and that one. Yes.
This house, I'm not doing. This house belongs to my father.
That one?
This house belonged to my father. When my father died, my brothers took it over. When they took it out, they murdered the one brother, so he died. So everybody's living here, they're living here. We're not collecting them. You can ask me, tell me. Removable board. And listen to me, and if you go, you see when you go to 10th Street on the corner, there's 4 plots there. Number 4, number 6, number 8, 10, and 11th Street there in the water, where the church is. Those properties all belong to me. But in those properties also, the people that are staying there, ANC, I don't let them go. They stay there for years without ANC, I think we
Okay, it's fine.
is also there.
Okay, it's fine.
But here is not.
Okay, look, Mama. So now we are the thing, this property, these people, they hijack this property. So now, because this property is so to cut the mental power, you say good people we don't know them, right? In front of the police and the community. So now, what we are saying, we don't want these people anymore. And then all the states here, we are still here.
We are going to assist them. We are going to assist them. We are to take those people away.
If now there's a principle that we can go and tell them inside there, they must vacate the place. Because if you can't go inside, or maybe you're afraid of them, can we make them
brother,
tell them
we are not afraid.
They must
He must take a video from me. Your face is covered. He must take a video from me.
For what?
That I am telling you that this is not mine.
Why you must ask us?
It's the truth. You understand? He is taking a video of me because I'm saying to you, this don't belong to me. I'm telling you, the people that are here don't pay me rent. I'm telling you the truth. So I want you to take a video because what I'm saying is the truth. I'm not lying.
Okay, the house doesn't belong to you. Okay, it's fine.
Let's go knock there. Let's go and knock there. Then we tell them this place. It's your property.
Once my father is dead.
No. Now who owns this place? It's for government.
Nobody.
Nobody.
It's a hijack property. I've got copy of title deed for this house and that one. I've got a copy for the and then for the government. I've already done my research. We've been coming here in and out. But they tell me that the house is
The one next door. We
want to assist you, Mama. We'll take those for him out.
Go there to number 10. All my children are
talking about this one.
No, why are you saying people are
But one thing I'm telling you, hello, boss. One thing I'm telling
Cha.